about camping is the food. I don't know about you, but I like to eat some hot dogs when I go camping. Let's do a little hot dog song. We're gonna stand up. Here we go. 5 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The grease got hot and one went bam! 4 little hot dogs frying in a pan. The grease got hot and it went bam! 3 little hot dogs sizzling in a pan. The grease got hot and it went bam! 2 little hot dogs sizzling in the pan. The grease got hot and it went bam! 1 little hot dog sizzling in the pan. The grease got hot and it went bam. All right, so that's our dinner. Let's just say that's our dinner. Now my favorite part is dessert. Guys ready to make us some more?
Let's see. Graham cracker.
Graham
Did you say
cracker.
graham cracker?
Yeah, and a chocolate bar.
I've got some in my car.
And some marshmallows.
Marshmallow?
Marshmallow! Graham cracker, chocolate bar.
This is how you make it.
Campfire under the stars, just and marshmallows, marshmallows, sticky and sweet. Put 'em all together and you got a treat. Graham cracker, chocolate
Let's sing. Sitting on the campfire under the stars. Marshmallows, marshmallows, sticky and sweet. Put it all together and you got a treat.
Graham cracker, triple stacker.
Choco? Oh, I got 'em in
Chocolate
my car.
bar.
Marshmallow,
Yeah.
marshmallow, here's a whole bag.
All right.
4.
Let's make some more.
Graham cracker, chocolate bar. Sitting on the campfire under the stars. Just thinking marshmallow, marshmallow, sticky and sweet. Put 'em all together and you got a treat. Yeah, put 'em all together and you get a delicious treat. A little graham cracker, a little chocolate, and a little marshmallow. You guys ready to do a little hokey pokey? All right, let's pretend you got your marshmallow. Maybe you have one at home. You put your marshmallow in, you take your marshmallow out. You put your marshmallow in and you shake it all about. You do the campfire pokey, you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Okay, what's next? You put your chocolate in, you put your chocolate out. You put your chocolate in and you shake it all about. You do the campfire pokey, you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. What's left? You put your graham cracker in, you put your graham cracker out. You put your graham cracker in and you shake it all about. You stack them all up. You open up your mouth. That's what it's all about.